Next up, we got Thomas Hussey, I'm sorry. And he made a banger of a shot too. I really like this. This looks like Santa Monica. He is in San Diego, I don't know, maybe. Somewhere in California. And there's not much going on right now. It's just like really foggy and the composition is so nice. You got the boardwalk right here and you got these layers of waves. And then you also got the reflection. So I see you, Thomas. This is a well-composed shot. And I'm fucking digging it. So kudos to you for taking this shot because this is a banger. I'm gonna start off with, let's get some of that mood and some of that contrast. And then bring up the lights a little. And what else is there? I'm gonna add some contrast and some textures to bring out the boardwalk because of the haze. Or maybe I can dehaze it. Yeah, whatever. It's whatever you vibe with. And then I'm gonna add a little blue and a little bit of green. Since there's not much colors going into this shot, I'm just thinking of making the shadows and just making the scene like very cold so you can feel the drama. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm gonna cool it down a little bit and let's see. We'll do something like that for now. We can always change it later. It's whatever you vibe with. We're gonna add the S-curve, everybody's favorite S-curve. Okay. And let's see. Do I want to make it like, I don't want to make it purple. There, something like that. And then we're just gonna desaturate it just a smidge. Almost looks like it's black and white. Super cinematic. Then what else is there? There we go. And then I was thinking for this one to make it Eterna, so we can so it looks like a film stills, make it look more cinematic. Do that. Let's see. The curves a little bit more. What else is there? Let's bring this down. Now let's see about midtones. We're gonna make everything blue, so it's going to have a monochromatic kind of look. So let's do that. There we go. And then do the same thing over here. Get them blues, the blue shadows in. Just a smidge. And the highlights can be blue too, because everything else looks more yellow. Looks good. Yeah, let's just make it all blue, baby. It's whatever you vibe with, guys. Crush the shadows a little bit. Sharpening. We don't want the entire shot, the entire photo to be sharpened, only the few. 80 for this looks good, and then we're gonna do 60 sharpening. You guys have your way of sharpening. This is how I just do it. Let's make the horizon level, and what else is there? And for this one, we can add a little grain. Let's be a little pretentious and add some grain. You know, because there's no rules to this. You can do whatever you want. All right, let's look at this. Let's see where that grain is at. Yeah. Amount. 28. There we go. That looks grainy. Almost done. Almost done. And let's look at the color calibration. See if we can just add more blue. There we go. That looks super moody. Super moody as fuck, dude. Let's see. I'll go with vibrant. Maybe bring back. Let's see. Again, this is just me doing it to taste and how I see it and what I like. And I think that looks pretty dope, to be honest. It looks super cinematic. Maybe we can like go for something like this. Yeah, that looks a lot better than what I had before. So before and after, I think that's a banger. And I am going to, should I crop this? Let's know, maybe like this, because there's a little bit of dead space there's a little bit of dead space right here, or negative space. So we don't want that, we want to bring that in. And now you got this. Yeah, that looks pretty dope, man. Looks super cinematic to me. Oh, you know what? We can make it super cinematic by making it 16 by 9. Let's do that. Dude, that looks sick. All right. That's another way I edit stuff. Thomas, thank you so much for sending this shot in, man. This is a beautiful shot. Fuck, man. Like, you got a good shot, and hope you're like selling this print somewhere, because this shot is really nice. It's foggy. It just adds a little drama to it. So good job, man. Good job for taking this. What do you think of this edit? Let me know down in the comments section, and we're gonna keep it moving, guys. We have